203K. Today, guys, we're going to talk about
Happy Wednesday.
203K loans because so many people are talking about them. And right now in this crazy market, one of the best ways to penetrate the market and to get your first house is by getting a 203K loan. Neil, talk to them about why a 203K loan can help people try to get their first house today.
Well, because you're going and you're looking at houses and you want the worst house on the best block. You want a house that needs work, because that's how you do a 203K. And maybe you won't be bidding against 100 other people, because we can lend you the down payment to buy the house, 3.5% down, the mortgage amount, plus the repairs. So explain to them what that means, Ryan.
So let's say, for example, and I had this actually happen in my neighborhood. There was a property at the bottom of my street, and this house was an original house, built in the 1960s. This thing had the original wallpaper, the original oven. It was not very pretty, and nobody really wanted it. And it sat on the market for a little while until finally they lowered the price, and all of a sudden, people started making offers. They bid on it. Somebody finally bid on it. Now, this isn't the exact number, but this is pretty much the scenario. Let's just say they bought the house for $200,000. When they bought the house, they had a contractor come in and gave them an approximate value or number as to what the repairs or the renovations would cost on the house. So let's just say you buy the house for $200K, you put $50K into it. The total that you have invested into the property is $250,000. But what is the after renovation value? $350K. Why? Because that's what the market will pay for right now.
And you only put 3.5% down of the 250. So you got all the money to repair it and everything. And now you have new bathrooms, new kitchen. Everything is fixed and it looks the way you want. And you didn't bid against 8,000 other people.
3.5% down payment.
Which is about 10 grand on 250 plus closing costs. That ain't bad.
It's not bad at all. And again, guys, it helps make your point of entry into the market. It is a crazy market right now. Yes, interest rates have gone up a little bit. They're actually what they were before the pandemic happened. So don't think the sky is falling or anything like that. But if you're looking at buying your first house and you're not sure what to do, this is one of the great ways to get into the market.
Not only that, it's 1 to 4 units. So if you buy a single, duplex, triplex, or a 4-unit, you can still do the 203K.
Owner
3.5% down. Yes, you must live in 1 unit.
Yep. So there you go, guys. Any questions on that, let us know. If you are looking at some properties and you're not sure, give us a call. Don't be afraid. Allow us to help you answer the questions. That's why we are here. We're here to help you. We're here to educate you. And we're also here to help you get to closing. All right? You guys have an awesome day. We'll talk to you later.
Stay safe.